Hey everybody, listen, this is Mark. I want to show you the fastest and easiest way to join the Club Cash Fund and start receiving your money as quickly as possible. Okay, so here's how we do it. All right, first we know it's $100. Okay, so we're going to do that. You click on the bottom button that says pay. All right, and now it's going to ask you who to pay. And what you want to look up for is you want to look out for the Cash Club Fund. You want to put the $sign. And then we'll go back to the letters here. It's got club. And of course it's cash. And then fund. Alright, and it says John Stalvey. Okay. So you click on his name there. It's going to confirm it. And where it says for, I'm going to enter my ID. Now this is the ID that came on the back of the envelope that I'm supposed to put money in to mail out. But I want to do it faster. So I want to put the number in here. My ID number is 1573195. Okay, so I entered my ID number 1573195. I've got that good. Okay, and I click the button that says pay. And I just sent it right there. And I'm going to do a screenshot of that. So I've got it for my record. Alright, and I'm going to click on done. So now I'm done. Now I'm registered. The next thing I know is that I should be receiving a message back, and I put my name on that line, but my ID number does identify me, so he'll know exactly who I am. Alright, thanks a lot. I'll catch you later, and you guys need to get on this as quick as possible so you can start making money fast too. Thanks. Bye-bye.